Have you ever looked at the most successful people in the world? Those who have reached the pinnacle of their fields, like Elon Musk revolutionizing the way we think about transportation, or Jeff Bezos changing the landscape of online retail, and wondered, what makes them different? What sets them apart from the rest of us? Today, we're going on a journey of discovery, to uncover the secrets behind the success of the world's richest men. We're talking about titans of industry, innovators, and visionaries like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, and Warren Buffett. These men, who have amassed unimaginable wealth and influence, share common threads, traits that have propelled them to extraordinary heights. And the best part is, these traits aren't exclusive to billionaires. They're within all of us. Stay with me as we delve into the 5 key traits that define the world's most successful individuals, and you might just discover that you possess these very same qualities within you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being in
Visionaries who dare to imagine a brighter tomorrow. Now let's talk about resilience, because the path to success is rarely a straight line. It's paved with obstacles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's how we respond to these challenges that truly defines us. The richest men in the world, they understand that failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone. Think about Bill Gates. His first company, Trafo Data, was a complete failure. But did he let that defeat him? Absolutely not. He learned from his mistakes, picked himself up, and went on to co-found Microsoft, revolutionizing the personal computer industry. Or consider Warren Buffett. He's experienced his fair share of investment setbacks, times when the market didn't go his way. But he never lost faith in his long-term vision, never let those setbacks derail his journey. You see, these men, they possess an unwavering belief in themselves, an inner strength that allows them to weather any storm. They understand that setbacks are not a sign of weakness, but opportunities for growth and learning. And that's the key, isn't it? It's about reframing failure, seeing it not as an end, but as a chance to learn, to adapt, and to come back stronger. It's about having the courage to dust yourself off, to analyze what went wrong, and to use those lessons to fuel your future endeavors. Because resilience is not about avoiding failure. It's about embracing it, learning from it, and using it as a catalyst for growth. It's about having that unwavering determination to succeed, no matter what obstacles life throws your way. So I want you to remember this. The next time you face a setback, and you will, don't let it break you. Let it make you. Let it refine your character, strengthen your resolve, and fuel your determination to achieve your goals. Now let's talk about the importance of continuous learning. In a world that's constantly evolving, resting on your laurels is simply not an option. The most successful people in the world, they understand that learning is a lifelong pursuit. Think about Mark Zuckerberg. He taught himself how to code at a young age, constantly experimenting with new technologies. Even as CEO of Facebook, he's known for his insatiable curiosity, always seeking to expand his knowledge and understanding. Or consider Warren Buffett, a voracious reader who devours books, newspapers, and financial statements. He believes that knowledge is power, and he's constantly seeking to expand his intellectual horizons. You see, these men, they share an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. They're not afraid to step outside of their comfort zones to explore new subjects, to challenge their assumptions. They understand that the more they learn, the better equipped they are to navigate the complexities of the world. And that's the beauty of learning, isn't it? It opens up new possibilities, new ways of thinking, new avenues for growth. It keeps our minds sharp, our perspectives fresh, and our spirits ignited. So I encourage you to cultivate a love of learning. Read books, attend workshops, listen to podcasts, engage in thought-provoking conversations. Embrace every opportunity to expand your knowledge and broaden your horizons. Because the world is full of fascinating people, ideas, and experiences just waiting to be discovered. And the more you learn, the more empowered you become to make a real difference in the world. Now let's talk about risk-taking, because let's face it, nothing great was ever achieved by playing it safe. The world's most successful individuals, they understand that calculated risks are essential for growth and innovation. Think about Elon Musk. He poured his entire fortune into Tesla and SpaceX, companies that many considered risky bets at the time. But he believed in his vision, he believed in his team, and he was willing to take a chance. Or consider Jeff Bezos, who left a secure and well-paying job to start Amazon in his garage. It was a risky move, but he saw the potential, he believed in the power of e-commerce, and he was willing to bet on himself. You see, these men, they're not afraid to step outside of their comfort zones, to challenge conventional wisdom, to pursue ideas that others might dismiss as crazy. They understand that true innovation often lies on the other side of fear, on the fringes of what's considered possible. But here's the key. It's not about taking reckless risks. It's about calculated risks, about weighing the potential rewards against the potential downsides. It's about doing your due diligence, surrounding yourself with a talented team, and trusting your gut instinct. So I want you to ask yourself, what risks are you willing to take to achieve your dreams? What opportunities are you letting pass you by because you're afraid to step outside of your comfort zone? Because sometimes the greatest risk is not taking a risk at all. It's about having the courage to bet on yourself, to believe in your vision, and to take that leap of faith. Now let's talk about the importance of a strong work ethic, because success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering commitment to putting in the work. Think about Elon Musk, known for his relentless work schedule, often putting in 80 to 100-hour weeks. He understands that achieving ambitious goals requires sacrifice, focus, and an unwavering dedication to the task at hand. Or consider Jeff Bezos, who built Amazon from the ground up, working tirelessly to perfect every aspect of the customer experience. He understands that success is not a destination, but a journey that requires constant effort and attention. You see, these men, they share an unwavering work ethic. They're not afraid to roll up their sleeves, to put in the long hours, to do whatever it takes to achieve their goals. They understand that success is not handed out. It's earned through hard work, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. And that's the thing about hard work, isn't it? It's the great equalizer. It doesn't matter where you come from, what your background is, or what obstacles you faced. If you're willing to put in the effort, to persevere through challenges, and to never give up on your dreams, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. So I want you to remember this. Success is not a matter of luck, it's a matter of choice. It's about making a conscious decision to show up every day, to give it your all, and to never settle for anything less than your best. So, as we've journeyed together today, exploring the traits that define the world's most successful men, have you seen glimpses of yourself in their stories? The vision, the resilience, the thirst for knowledge, the willingness to take risks, the unwavering work ethic. These qualities are not exclusive to billionaires. They reside within each and every one of us. Remember, the path to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's in those moments, when we dig deep, tap into our inner strength, and never give up on our dreams, that we truly discover what we're capable of achieving. So go out there and embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop believing in your own potential. Because the world is waiting for you to share your unique gifts, your talents, and your dreams.